right, so here it is, the beard trimmer, okay? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the head on this. So I'm gonna show you guys how you do that. And basically all you do is you come up to the front of it right here. I know you're gonna see these screws and you think you gotta unscrew it. No, you don't do that. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your finger here, you're just gonna push it. And it just comes off. And there's how it connects. And I'm gonna show you on the bottom here. You see this little hole right there? Well, you've gotta take this part right here, set it in that little hole, and then all you do is just push it. And it snaps on. To get it off, all you do is push it like that right here with your finger, or I'm using my thumb, and it comes right off. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Check it out. Oh, whoops, I turned it on. Don't want to do that. All right, so we're going to change this because I want to try to do my beard. So this is, probably more for cutting like the hair or something. But they give you this head right here. So this head right here is like you see that's like a shaver-like thing there. So now to get it on, we've got to get that little latch right there. Let me see if you can see it. See that little hole there? See that little thing there? That's going to go in there like that, and then you just snap it together, and bam. Now you've got it on there. It's got a little like trimmy area here, but this is the part that you shave with. So we're going to try to get this side, right? So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, right? Here we go. Boom. So let's try it. Whoops, I accidentally hit that. So watch it because you may hit the button. Let me get close here. Get my neck. Okay, let's turn it off and let's take a look. This side, oh look, I didn't get it up here. So let me get that. Let me get that real quick. Let's turn it off. Now to get this one off, the beard trimmer, which I just used, I'm going to push against it here. It's going to pop off, just like that, right? And I do believe we can clean this. It's got a little thing on top, and I think we squeeze it and we can open it, but that's for another video. Let's set this down. Let's try our nose and ear trimmer, okay? Again, you've got this little whatchamacallit there, and then you got a whatchamacallit right here, and you got to get those two whatchamacallits together so that they make love. Woo, look at that. This one right here is the nose trimmer. Okay? And you can do ears. And it doesn't pinch, so it's pretty good. All right, so how do you get the head off once it's on there? You come to the front. So the front has this dial on it. You're going to take your finger right here and you're going to push right there, and it just pops off. Let me show you. I'm going to push on top here. Let me show you like this. And it just pops. You see that? See, it's got a little spring in there that catches it. And that's the thing that makes it, do its thing. So here's the nose one. Let's get rid of that one. And let's grab, this one looks like it's a special trimmer for like maybe, in here, little spots. See how small the head is? So we're going to go ahead and slide it. See those right here? See that little hole right there? You see that little catcher thing there? It's going to go right there. And then it's going to catch on those two things and it's going to pop in, watch. Now, when you get it, you're going to see this, and you're going to think, I got to unscrew it. No, you don't. So this one here, look, check it out. I'm just getting like, yeah, there we go. See how I got that little hair? So I think that's what that one's used for, right? So let's go ahead and press the button here. Now to get this off, all I got to do is push against it here, and it pops. Comes right off of there. All right, you see that? All right, let's set that one down, and let's try one of these. Let's try this one right here. We'll put this one on. You just kind of slide it in there like that and snap it, and bam. Now you're ready to go. I don't want to screw it up. But you can use it for what I think maybe back here on your neck and stuff. But anyway, that's that one there. So then to get it off, all I do is push against it, pops right off, right? Very simple. You see these things right here? They're like the little springs that catch right here on this. And that's basically how it works. Let's show you the last one here. I got one more. It's kind of like that last one. We got to get it in the hole, right? Just like that. And then we just pop it on. Bam. Ready to go. You know, I don't know, I'm doing something here. I don't know. I'm just playing with it just so you guys can get an idea. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll turn that off. But that's how the heads of these things work. And this is how you get them off. Bam. They pop off just by pushing. And to get them back on, you just go bam. You know, you can, the best way is just to put your thumb there and just a gentle push. And it pops off. And that's it. And that's the mechanism. There's your little catch, there's your little hole, there's your little springs, and there's where they catch, right there. Just like that, let's see, so you can see inside. Done. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on this beard trimmer. Peace out.